stop that. I mean, look at all these gifts, guys. Look at all these gifts. I've lost my voice, and anytime I lose my voice, you should know what that means. That means I had so much fun. Oh, I'm sick. But it's alright, I'm not sick. I've lost my voice twice this year. The first one was when I went to see my mom. And then this is after my 30th birthday party. Guys, look at all these things. Look at all these things. Look at all these things that people sent to me as birthday presents. Like, honestly, I am so appreciative of all the gifts, of all the love that you guys showed. Guys, it was so much. Some subscribers flew from England. Shout outs to you, Peace. God bless you so much. Shout outs to you, Joy. Guys, the list is really long. If I say I'm going to say thank you, we're not going to finish with today's video.
If you're looking to send money from the UK or other EU countries to Ghana, Nigeria, or other African countries, I recommend TransferGo. So TransferGo, if you're wondering what they are, if you're a stranger on this channel, is an international money transfer app that allows you to send money from the UK and other EU countries to over 34 different African countries. Did you hear me? To over 34 different African countries. Not loads of apps beat this. You can send money to Ghana, Nigeria, and many other African countries. If you haven't tried it, I don't know what you're waiting for. With TransferGo, in at most 30 minutes, the person is going to get the money, and your person gets the exact amounts that you're sending. And as you send the money, you can actually track the transfer to see whether the person has gotten it, where it is in the, the whole transfer process. It's very easy, hassle-free, very convenient. And what I love about them is their customer support. If you should have a problem and then you contact them, they are very prompt, they are very quick to respond to your query and attend to you and sort everything out for you. They are authorized by the UK Financial Conduct Authority. TransferGo is currently being used by over 5 million users worldwide. And when you check transpilot.com, they are rated the best money transfer app. Yes, the best money transfer app on transpilot.com. You can download TransferGo for free, whether you use an Android, whether you use an iOS, and I'll leave the link in the description, okay? The amazing thing is that TransferGo is giving unlimited £20 reward if you transfer or refer a friend. So when you use the app, you can actually generate your own referral code from the app or generate a referral link and then share to your friends. And if these friends that you refer are able to send about £100, in the first 6 months between two countries, you are gifted unlimited £20 reward. So you can imagine, the more friends you invite, the more money you get. You don't have to be registered as an influencer for them or blah blah blah. You get the money, okay? I love TransferGo and I recommend TransferGo to you if you're in the UK or any EU country and you're willing to transfer money to friends and family in Ghana, Nigeria, or other African countries, okay? They are rated the best transfer company on transpilot.com, and I'm privileged to be associated with this brand. Thank you so much, TransferGo, for sponsoring today's video.
I just want you to help me unbox my gifts, okay? So appreciation, first of all, to my darling husband. I could not have done this without him. Honestly, he's been a massive support, and I love you, baby. And then also to my best friend Anaba, she was here to support me and all. Thank you so much to Amabuating. Honestly, God bless you. You did so much. To Eddie, to Nyako, to Comfort, to Anita. These were my chefs for the day. God bless you. To Rare Grazing for providing us with dessert. To my photographer Benedict. To my videographer. Aye, the videographer, eh? The videographer is a subscriber who has become family. Standing ovation, God bless you. To my decor lady, laxevents.co. Guys, I'll leave all my vendors and their contact details on the screen so you can reach out to them. They were the best vendors ever. So if you're looking to have a party and then you're looking to hire any of them, any of these people that I mentioned, they're gonna help you. The cocktail people, the cocktails and the starters were done by Hartfield House Belfast. My makeup and my hair was done by myself. Okay, shout outs to me. And to everybody who was a part of this, and to one amazing lady, I don't know if you watch my YouTube, Shaylee, she came from Night Shift to help us put up everything. Girl, I love you. To my cake lady, thank you so much. It was a short notice, but she delivered, and the exact picture that I gave her, that's the exact thing she did. Can you imagine? Thank you guys so much. To my mom, my aunties, my family back home for all the ideas. To everybody that was of help, to Eddie's brother, everybody, guys, I love you so much. Now guys, help me. That day my car boot was full of gifts, and these are not even all. Some of them were flowers that have died, unfortunately. So guys, I really appreciate it. Guys, help me open these gifts, okay? So this one is from, and some of the gifts, you guys didn't write your names. Why would you do that? Why would you not write your name on a gift? Oh, To everybody who honored my invitation, you guys are lit, honestly. What is this? Oh, so I can put like a battery here, and then I'll put my family photo here. So like it's a cube. I think it glows as well. This is beautiful. So my picture here, or our family photo here, maybe RJ's photo here, maybe me and my husband. Oh, this is really cute. Thank you. And who is this from? Oh, I love you, Mo. I love you, Mo. Mwah, mwah, mwah. You know yourself, Mo. Thank you so much. And not only that, jewelry as well. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Hey, I've got the best people as friends and family. Thank you guys so much. I hope you wrote your name. Some people did not write their names. Oh, this is, oh, I'll not mention your name. I don't know how you feel because lots of people know you here, but I see you and I know you watch my videos and I am grateful. Oh my goodness, look at that. Thank you. You and your husband, God bless you, and for all the dance moves, thank you so much. Hey, this one I know who it's from. Even the thing is on, I know who it's from. I don't know how she's gonna feel. She's another YouTuber. Hey, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, honestly. The only problem is I hope my butt fits. If you know me, you know I'm a big booty girl. I hope my butt fits into this. I hope. Thank you so much, girl. I love you. Thank you so much. This was the heaviest of all the gifts. The heaviest. This was so heavy. Guys, I'm still accepting gifts, okay? I'll leave my PayPal details, or you can just donate. This was the heaviest of all the gifts. It was heavy, guys. Very heavy. Oh. Look at that. Yeah. Anytime I get visitors, I'll serve them with these. They look very posh. I'm not gonna open them and use them in the house. RJ is gonna break them. I would only use them for visitors. Yeah. You guys know who you are. You guys know who you are. Thank you so much. God bless you for this heavy gift. God bless you guys so much. And tell your daughter I said hi. She met me with a bouquet when I entered the venue. Tell your daughter I said hi. Hey, the perfume shop. Guys, do you see? Hey. Oh. Hey, see. Her name and my name are on the bow. Do you see? There's Nanelle and her name, Sade. And there's happy 30th birthday. This is such a thoughtful guest. Oh, customized things. I will not throw this ribbon away. Hey, do you see? You guys, God bless you guys, honestly. God bless. Hey, even if you came with empty hands, you made the party lit. Guys, there was so much food. There was so much to drink, so much to eat. We had to literally beg people to take some of the food home. Everything was so full. Thank you guys so much. To my MC, you're amazing, okay? To my DJ. Who is this from? This is what I don't like, oh. You bring a beautiful gift and you forget to write your name. Why would you do that? I hope this is, your name has. See, you guys, Kojo and Yolanda, I love you guys, Guys, they are subscribers, but the help they gave us that day, I'll show you a picture and I'll show your channel over here. God bless you guys so much, okay? Hey, the help, look at the beautiful gifts they gave me. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. And it's so pretty. Now the problem is, well, I'll keep all these things in this house. You people, why are you like that? Why are you like that? It matches what I'm wearing as well. Look at that. Hi. Prosecco. If you're a UK babe, you know the UK people, they love Prosecco. I've never had it. I can't wait to try. Oh, thank you guys so much. People love me. Hey, now when I see negative comments under my YouTube videos, I will not cry. It's not like I've been crying, but like now, not even mind, because number of people who love me, there's so much more. Subscribers flew from England. Hey, peace, joy. Hey, peace. She didn't only come, she came to help. Oh, she was 7. Hey, hey, hey. Please, I hope you wrote your name. See, the person did not write the name. There's no card. There's absolutely nothing. Nothing. Please, who are you? You sent this beautiful, beautiful gifts and you forget to write your name. Why would you do that? Thank you, whoever you are. I love you. Okay, God bless you. Oh. Oh. No name. This card is different. This is from, it's not supposed to be in here. I put it in there. And the colors match the colors for my day as well. Thank you so much, Eromo. God bless you. Thank you so much. I guess. Oh, and I was looking for a cake stand. Can you imagine? And you made me go and buy a cake stand. Who are you? Why did you do that? Should have brought this earlier. Oh, blessing. God bless you so much. Thank you. Let me call her. I need to call her and thank her proper. Oh, thank you. Oh, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh. I love you. 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 Oh. Hey. See. Honestly, when I invited this lady, I thought she would not come. She has a baby. She has a toddler just like me. This person lives far away from England, and she's somebody that most of you know, Scholastica. She lived far away from Belfast, but she came and she brought me this amazing gift. God bless you. And she did the customized thing as well. Hey, happy birthday, Nanelle. It has my name. The thing has my name. Look. Happy birthday, Nanelle, from Scholastica. Thoughtful. This means this person ordered it, like planned it and ordered. Hey, you people, these ribbons, I will never throw them away. I will never throw them away, honestly. I feel like 30 is such a huge milestone. The next big one to me is 40. So maybe the next party will be in 10 years' time, God willing. Hey, Scholastica, you are rich, oh. Hey, Scholastica. Hey, YouTube money. Hey, Ariana Grande. Hi, Jesus. I'm not buying perfume for the next 3-4 years. Thank you, girl. Thank you. Mwah. Love you. This person, I invited this person some few minutes to the birthday, and she came and still came with a gift. God bless you. God bless you. Prosecco party in my house. Hey, God bless you. God bless you, Farah. God bless you, Glenn. Mwah, 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 mwah. Hey. Nanette. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Sammy, Precious, I love you guys. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. You know what? I will be drinking tea in this starting from tomorrow, honestly. Starting from tomorrow. Thank you so much. Oh, you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. And she did not only bring, hey, this is so cute. Look at the colors. Wow. Some people are thoughtful. Oh. Let's open this one here. This was in it. Guys, I used to do bank shit, and there were these 2 care assistants that I grew to love. They are way older than me, or they can give birth to me. Like, I grew to love them, and I haven't seen them in years, but I invited them, and they came with this. Can you imagine? Auntie Catherine, I love you so much. Laura, I love you so much. You guys have seen Auntie Catherine on my channel before. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Hey. Who is the, hey? The way I'm looking for beautifully scented hand cream, Honestly, I'm taking this like now. Like I'm starting to use it now. who are you? God bless you, Christina. I think I'll get your number. Thank you so much. God bless you, no. Christiana, why? La la. Oh. Smells good. Thank you, Christy. It will be in my pocket every day. Hey! If I say I've not seen this gift, it's a lie. I've seen it. This one, I've seen it, honestly. This card is from my neighbor, who's a chef. Thank you, chef. I made sure to include Chinese dishes, British dishes, and continental dishes, and local dishes. So for the Chinese, he's the one who did the Chinese dishes. Thank you so much, chef. Okay. Some people are richer. I don't even think I've bought something as expensive like this for my best friend on her birthday. Guys, look. Somebody was able to buy me a DKNY scarf and beanie hat. They did not end there. They bought me a DKNY bag. Oh, Juliet and Jesse, what did I do? What did I do? Hey! Guys, do you know how much this cost? I don't want to show the tag, but hey, I've never gifted them. In fact, like, hey, you people made me shy. You people made me shy, honestly. Thank you so much, guys. Hey, even if you came empty-handed, I appreciate the fact that you could have gone to do extra shit, but you came. I appreciate the fact that you came to spend time with me. There are people that I know, I speak to every day that I invited that could not come or that did not come. But you came to spend my special day with me. It really means a lot to me. And I'm so appreciative. Every single person, I am really grateful. Guys, let me not forget, my dress was made by My Design Couture. He's on Instagram. I promised him that if he makes me a beautiful dress, I'll shout him out in my YouTube video. So guys, I'll leave his details on the screen. He is in Ghana, but I've never seen him before. Even when I was in Ghana, I didn't know him. I only sent him my measurements, okay? And then he did it for me. And this measurement, my husband took those measurements. It's not like a professional did it. Yet, the dress fit perfectly. So distance is not a barrier. Wherever you are, if you need a dress, and it's a guy, and he made it so beautiful. I'll leave his contact details on the screen so you can reach out to him. Who have I not mentioned? Every single person. Those that I've forgotten to mention, forgive me, okay? Yolanda and Kocho, God bless you guys. Blessing, Sade, Adama, Scholastica, everybody, Christiana, everybody, honestly, everybody. And there are some gifts that were seized at the venue because apparently, I can't go into details, but if your gift is not here and it was something that was edible, it was probably seized at the venue. But unfortunately, I did not get to see the name before it was seized. Thank you guys so much, honestly. I'm still accepting gifts, so you can send me your gifts, okay? Bye.